Hello there and welcome to Carmel's Kitchen. Today we're going to make some chicken Kiev. Okay, so for this we have some breasts of chicken, we have some flour, some eggs and some breadcrumbs and some salt and some pepper. And I have here some homemade garlic butter that I made by putting 3 teaspoons of butter into a little dish, and then I squished up 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. It all depends on the garlic. If your garlic isn't very strong and you like the taste of garlic, then I put it into some cling film, made it into a roll, rolled it up and made it like a cracker, rolled it around both ends and put it in the freezer to freeze it so that it's good and solid, because you often get chicken Kievs and the butter just runs out of them before they ever even get to your plate. So this is kind of a little trick that helps hold it in there for the duration of the cooking. Okay, so I've got some nice chicken breasts here, which I'm going to butterfly, so just open it out and with a nice sharp knife. It just makes it that it cooks better when you butterfly it out. Now, I know you could just make a little hole in the side and stick in your garlic butter, but I find this a much better way for doing these. So you just go and open it out, because remember you've got a nice roundy side, and then you've got the side of where it was attached to the chicken in the first place. Chicken Kiev originated in Russia. Just wipe the hands after being at the chicken. Okay, and then we have our butter. So we just take 2 slices of that and put those into the centre of our chicken. Fold it over and make sure that you get it so that the butter is inside. Okay, then we have set up here, so we've got our flour that I have seasoned, we have our egg which I have beaten up, and we have some breadcrumbs. So we're going to do what they're called panning. So to pan it, we're going to take our chicken breast first of all, and we're going to put it into the flour. So coat it in the flour. See what I mean by those sneaky little things trying to sneak out? And just make sure they don't. Then into your egg. And the oven is turned down to 180, and these will take about 25 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes to cook. So if it's 180, then that's gas mark 5. Cover it very well in breadcrumbs. And this was some leftover brown bread that I made my breadcrumbs from today. Oh, there we go. And into the dish. Okay. So just make sure it's tucked in there. And roll it over it. Into the flour and coat it well in the flour. Then into the egg, coat it in the egg, because if you don't coat it in the egg, then the breadcrumbs aren't going to stick to it. And into the breadcrumbs. So if you set it up, flour, egg and breadcrumbs, it's very easy to just have it working like a conveyor belt. And in it goes. Into our dish. And that's it, chicken Kiev. So we'll just put this into our oven. rinse my hands. Oh, if I only had an assistant, it would be wonderful. So, here we have a chicken Kiev that I've just taken out of the oven. And if I just cut it, not a knife I've used on the chicken already. And there's my garlic butter. Stayed inside because it was frozen. Okay, so there you go, that's chicken Kiev. The list of ingredients will be underneath if you just press the arrow on the side. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you again. Cheerio. Bye.